How's this for a torture test? AC on full tilt boogie in stop and go Nashville traffic. And it's 102 out according to that thing, which is probably wrong, but it's in the 90s. And I got this thing cooking. And so far, staying cool enough.
And then...
Yay! At Walmart, they're picking up some stuff. And the entire bottom rad hose just decided to kind of pop off and leak everywhere. So I got a bunch of stuff. And there's Byron. And this sucks.
Not fun.
The whole inside of the car now is just covered in whatever that white schmutz is, which is the coolant. And that rad hose down there is just focus. Just not having it. So there we go. Woo! Yay! Nothing like a repair in a Walmart parking lot.
I mean, it's up there with the hotel parking lot.
Yeah, we've done worse, that's true.
There we go.
No. That's just water.
That looks like water.
There's water everywhere.
Man,
Look at all the water.
look at that water.
Yay.
Well, buddy, I can't because of everything here. I'll try.
There's a lot of stuff in the way.
Yeah, like...
This is going great. This is wonderful. Yay!